Welcome, everyone. Welcome to our English Learning Podcast. My name is Kate. I am your teacher today.
Hello, my name is Ben. I am learning English with Kate.
That's right, Ben. And today we will learn 3 important topics together. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready, Kate.
Wonderful. Today we will learn about colors, weather, and family members. These are very useful words. You use them every day.
Every day? That sounds important.
Yes, let's start with colors. Ben, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. I like blue.
Blue is beautiful. The sky is blue. The ocean is blue. Can you say blue, everyone? Blue. Blue.
Blue. Blue. Yes, blue is nice.
Good. Now, let's learn more colors. Listen carefully. Red. Red. Ben, can you say red?
Red. Red. Like an apple.
Perfect. Yes, an apple is red. What else is red?
A tomato is red.
Excellent. Now, let's learn another color. Yellow. Yellow. Say it with me. Yellow.
Yellow. Yellow. The sun is yellow.
Yes, the sun is yellow. Very good, Ben. Now we have 3 colors: blue, red, and yellow. Everyone, let's practice together. Repeat after me. Blue,
Blue.
red,
Red.
yellow.
Yellow.
Wonderful. Let's learn 3 more colors. Green, green. Ben?
Green. Green. Trees are green.
That's right. Grass is green, trees are green. What about this color? Orange, orange.
Orange. Orange. That's easy. An orange is orange.
Yes, the fruit orange is orange. Very funny and very true. Now, one more color. Black, black.
Black. Black. Night is black.
Good example. So now we know 6 colors. Let's practice all of them. Listen. Blue, red, yellow, green, orange, black. Everyone, say them with us.
Blue. Red. Yellow. Green. Orange. Black.
Perfect. Now, I will add one more. White. White. Like snow.
White. White. Snow is white. Clouds are white.
Excellent. Okay, everyone, this is your practice time. I will say a thing, and you say the color. Ready? The sun is...
Yellow.
Good. Grass is...
Green.
Yes. An apple is...
Red.
Perfect. Great job, everyone. Now, let's move to our second topic, weather. Ben, how is the weather today?
Kate, I don't know how to say it in English.
No problem. I will teach you. Is the sun shining?
Yes, the sun is shining.
Then we say it is sunny. Sunny. Sunny.
It is sunny. Sunny. Easy.
Yes. When the sun is shining, it is sunny. Now, sometimes there are clouds in the sky. Then we say it is cloudy. Cloudy, cloudy.
Cloudy. Cloudy. It is cloudy.
Good. What about when water falls from the sky?
Ooh, rain.
Yes, rain. When it rains, we say it is rainy, rainy, rainy.
It is rainy. Rainy.
Perfect. And when it is very cold and white snow falls, we say it is snowy, snowy, snowy.
Snowy. Snowy. I like snow.
Me too. Now, sometimes there is a lot of air moving fast. We call this wind. When there is wind, we say it is windy, windy, windy.
Windy. Windy. It is windy.
Excellent. Let's practice the weather words. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, windy. Say them with me.
Sunny. Cloudy. Rainy. Snowy. Windy.
Great. Now, everyone, let's practice. When the sun is shining, it is
Sunny.
good. When it rains, it is.
Rainy.
When there is wind, it is.
Windy.
Perfect. You are all doing so well. Now, let's learn our third topic, family members. Ben, do you have a family?
Yes, I have a family. I have a mother and a father.
Wonderful. Everyone, listen. Mother. Mother. This is a woman who has a child.
Mother. My mother is kind.
Beautiful. We also say mom or mum. Mom. Mom. It's shorter.
Mom. Mom. I love my mom.
So sweet. Now, father. Father. This is a man who has a child.
Father. Father. My father is tall.
Good. We also say dad. Dad. It's shorter, like mom.
Dad. Dad. My dad is strong.
Excellent. Now, do you have a brother or sister?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
Great. Brother. Brother. A brother is a boy in your family.
Brother. Brother. My brother is funny.
Nice. And sister. Sister. A sister is a girl in your family.
Sister. Sister. My sister is smart.
Wonderful words. Now, let's learn more. Grandmother. Grandmother. This is your mother's mother or your father's mother.
Grandmother. Grandmother. We also say grandma, right?
Perfect, Ben. Yes, grandma. Grandma. It's shorter and easier.
Grandma. Grandma. My grandma is old.
And grandfather. Grandfather. This is your mother's father or your father's father.
Grandfather. Grandfather. We say grandpa, yes?
Exactly. Grandpa. Grandpa.
Grandpa. Grandpa. My grandpa is wise.
Beautiful. So we learned mother, father, brother, sister, grandmother, grandfather. Or the short way, mom, dad, grandma, grandpa. Let's practice. Everyone say mother,
mother,
father,
father,
brother,
brother,
sister,
sister,
grandmother,
grandmother,
grandfather.
grandfather.
Excellent work. Now, let's review everything we learned today. Then, can you tell everyone what we learned?
Yes, we learned colors, weather, and family members.
Perfect. What colors did we learn?
We learned blue, red, yellow, green, orange, black, and white.
Great. And weather?
Sunny,